Hello, my name is Clement and I want to welcome you to today's class. Today we're going to look at the one-bedroom apartment. All right, and since part of the thing we're going to look at as well, we're going to import our project tasks into the Gantt sheet. We're going to build our Gantt chart, we're going to set dependencies, we're going to assign resource, we're going to create baseline, we're going to track progress, and we're going to look at our variance as well. All right, so why we all know this particular interface, this is our Gantt sheet over here. So let us now go straight to the point. Let's copy this guy over here, and yeah. Now, as you can see, this is on manual schedule, so we're going to change all of them to auto schedule. Click, highlight everything over here, come to auto schedule. All right, then we expand that. As you can see over here, everything is starting on Monday. Now, today is Saturday. That is why project cannot start on Saturday. Working the standard calendar, so every project will move on Monday, which is one of the great things. So if you have a project start, if a project starting on Monday, so you have Saturday and Sunday to plan or prepare your project plan. All right. So let us now go to our duration. Let's set our duration. All right. So now we've set our duration.